So now back to, I've created the file, I've created the text, the folder. Then back to my home page, I will just come here, open file. So open file, I will go into internal storage where my HTML training, HTML level 1. Then I will click on my what? HTML training.html. You can see the name is at the top. So here I can start my program, my HTML programming or language. So I can start my HTML skeleton. You see, immediately I'm writing, it's giving me the syntax, as in the words of HTML immediately. So if I want to just do a fast something, I'll just click on this like that immediately. So I'm gone. So but for us as new fresher, so let me take it from scratch. So then doc type space HTML, then I will close. So down again, open again HTML, then close. So this is just a preamble of our what? HTML skeleton. Thank you. Tomorrow we shall continue with our HTML skeleton.